delete GCash transaction history. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to delete your GCash transaction history. So first of all, just open your GCash account. So GCash is a financial application, so it does not offers a feature that allows user to delete their transaction history, because the transaction history is an official component or a very critical component of financial records that provides transparency and accountability for the user's account. If you have any specific transaction that you would want to keep private or remove from your view, it is recommended to reach out to the customer support for the assistance. It is important to note that the policies and feature of financial apps may change over time, so it is advisable to check the official GCash app or website for the most accurate information to contact GCash support. So in order to reach out to the GCash customer support, just simply click on the three dot tab from the top right corner of your mobile screen. And after that, here you will see all these options. Just scroll down and click on Help Center. And here on the bottom right hand side, you will see the option called Chat with Gigi. So just click on it and the chat bot will be open for you. And now just simply type in your concern about deleting your transaction history, and the chatbot will respond to you with the accurate solution that it can provide you. And once you find the solution, just follow the instructions alongside, and thereby you will be able to delete some specific transaction, but not the entire transaction history, because it is a record of your transaction that you have made in the past in order to keep it private and safe, in order to make your transaction accountable for the future references. I hope I'm able to answer your question regarding deleting your GCash transaction history. So that's how you do it. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. And I'll see you the next time.